to the second edition of We Connect as we celebrate India's foremost brands in the world of customer experience. My heart is filled with gratitude today as I see India's best brands, India's best marketing agencies under one roof. And we are honored to have you as our customers. We are thankful for all the opportunities that we have got to serve you. We are thankful for all the feedback that you have given over the years. It has helped us evolve our product. And thank you for the continued support. I'm grateful for some of our first few customers who are here, and they were the ones who supported us when we started the journey. There's Ferdy, Prem, Amin, Pratik. Thank you so much. That's how we started our journey, and here we are in the year 2023. I'll give you a quick overview of what Konnect Insights is today and where we are. We are now present in about 30 countries. I mean, we have customers in 30 countries. We have registered our company in 3 countries, India, US, and UAE. And we have expanded our cloud infra in about 5 countries. And those regions are, of course, India. We have now our infra in the US, in Saudi, in Zurich, and in UK. And there is Dubai instance also coming up. We have heavily invested in AWS, and of course with the exception of Saudi Arabia, where the infra is on Oracle Cloud, and of course in India we are on Control-S. Other than that, we have the infra on AWS. And as far as security compliance is concerned, everything is in place. We take security very seriously. We take compliance very seriously. And GDPR, SOC 2, ISO, and whatever is needed for each of these countries is in place. We have customers from government agencies in some parts of the world, and these are the first things before we can even pitch our product. Some of the customers we have in this part of the world, of course, they come from Southeast Asia. We have done pretty well in LATAM, I mean, where the languages are Spanish and Portuguese, and our product works really well in those markets as well. UK and Europe is something that is picking up, and of course we have a lot of clients in the Middle East. So what started a journey from India has now going global, and we are again very thankful to all of you, because when products are made in India, we go that extra mile to offer the best of the things, because as brands like you go extra mile to serve your customers. And hence when we experience our product, I mean get the experience of working with customers from other countries, we realize that it's best to start in India, because you're miles ahead in terms of your offerings in the product. Some clients in the Middle East that I can recollect right now come from regions like UAE, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Egypt, Kuwait. Brands like Extra, which is a very big retail brand in Saudi. We have clients like STC, Orido, Zen, Bahrain, Vodafone Oman, all telecom brands. Joy Lucas, AGMC, Mossad Healthcare, very big brand. We have clients like Mahara HR, Money Fellows Egypt, few names that I can think of. So we really did well in the Middle East. And I'll give you a quick overview of how that strategy really works, of how we have done business in the international market. As you know, we have a very talented but a very lean sales team that works from India. But outside India, we really leverage the power of partnerships and do business. So one of the ways we do business is, of course, our sales team. Then we have a reseller network, and we have a agency network. Agency network, you know it very well. There are a lot of marketing agencies here, and they help sell our product. That's something that really worked well in India. That's how we started reaching out to agencies like Gozo, Watt Consult, DDB Mudra in our early days, and did business in India. Same thing we want to do in the international market, but still early days, and we'll appreciate any help. But in terms of the reseller network, there are a lot of implementation partners who kind of sell our product to the end customers. It's a very win-win. We are happy, the partners are happy, and so are the customers. So that's what we call as a reseller network. Then there are ISVs. ISVs meaning independent software vendors, and these are large CRM companies or large contact center companies where our product fits perfectly well for the gap that they have. Like let's say there is a very big CRM company and they want social to be part of it. We work with them and that's how we do business. Same is the case with contact centers where social is a part of it, but they do not have the solution. Konnect Insights goes there. So ISV partnerships have really worked well for us, and so many customers that we spoke about are through those ISV partners. And then these software vendors also have their own reseller network, which we leverage. They have a huge partnership network. And once the ISVs introduce us to them, they are the ones who sell our product. And that's our GTM or a go-to-market strategy in the international market. And we have done all that sitting here from India. And just a quick recap of what we offer in Konnect Insights. Most of you are our customers. You know what Konnect Insights is all about. It's a product that offers everything in social. So when it comes to social, you look at different aspects like social listening for marketing insights. You look at social for care, to engage with the customers, respond to their queries. You look at social for analytics of your social media platforms, of your own brand as well as competition. Let's call that as social analytics. And you also look at social for publishing the content. So all that is available within Konnect Insights with beautiful dashboards and reports and business intelligence tools. And most of you are masters at it. I can see Swapnil, who uses BI tools so very well. So we have Sujit from Infinix. They use BI tools very well. So the way you present the data is what really matters with BI tools and dashboards. And beyond that, everything that we offer, we have a lot of connectors built in so that you can connect with your CRMs, or you can connect with your marketing automation tools, or you can connect with contact centers, chatbots, or collaboration tools. And this is a story that really works well because nobody wants to work in silos. If you're just using a product that doesn't talk to other product, then you'll not get one view of the customer. And this one view of the customer story resonates with every single brand. And hence we have our own app marketplace where the connectors can be built. And what do today's customers want? Today's customers really look for an omni-channel customer experience. Customer 360. One view of the customer, single source of truth. That's the story we hear in every single meeting. And the first step towards achieving omni-channel customer experience is to connect your tool sets. And these are the tool sets that every single brand would have. They'll obviously use something for social, let's say Konnect Insights in that case, which covers data from all social media platforms and beyond, like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, your App Store reviews, Play Store reviews, your emails, blogs, forums, news, consumer forums, review sites. Let's say we cover everything online from social. Then there comes contact centers. Everybody has contact centers where they receive calls, IVRs, and many of you would have the likes of Genesis or so for contact center, or even for that matter CTIs, where likes of Exotel or My Operator, where calls are taken. Everybody uses chats, everybody uses CRM systems, everybody uses marketing automation systems. But if you're still using in silos, you will not achieve that omni-channel customer experience. And connecting all these platforms are important, and that's the theme of our today's event. The reason, if your CRM is not talking to your marketing automation, there'll be problems. If you're using a CRM platform that doesn't really connect with other platforms like social or marketing automations or chatbots, then you have to make a change. Take something like Salesforce that has a very good app exchange, and you can connect very easily with all these platforms. If your social is not talking to marketing automation tools, then you still really have to change that, because just ORM tools will not serve the purpose. For example, there is a marketing automation where all the messages are going to, let's say, your contacts, and if one of them is having an issue and they're getting a promotional message, is not a good experience. So you really have to connect this platform. And I, as a customer, the way I see is, like, I'm one customer, I'm talking to one brand. That's not my problem that there are multiple channels. I would expect seamless experience. And that's the job today's modern products do, like Konnect Insights, Salesforce. What we do is we connect all these platforms and give you one view of the customer, so that when I talk on Twitter, and tomorrow when I talk on a call or I come on chatbot, you get the entire history. That's what we have made possible with many customers today. There is its largest airline brand with whom we have done this, and many examples I can take where we have unified the entire customer experience. And the problem with siloed approach is this. Let's say if you have a product, let's say just ORM platform, then and it's not talking to other platforms, then this is like using something like, let's say, a Rediff mail or a Yahoo mail. They're pretty good email systems, but the problem with those email platforms are they are not meant for today's modern requirements. Like, we want an email system to be connected seamlessly with our contacts, with our docs, with our calendars, with our video conferencing. If I go to Yahoo Mail and Rediff Mail, it will still do the job of giving me emails. But why do I use Microsoft 365, or why do I use Gmail or Google Suite? Because it is meant for today's business requirements. And that's the case with your ORM tools or any tools like CRM or marketing automation. If they're working in silos and if they're not connected, then it's equivalent to using a Rediff Mail or a Yahoo Mail in these days. Back in 2007-8, when Gmail came in, we didn't realize how powerful it is. But it was powerful not just because it was giving emails, it was something where you could build connectors. That's how today's requirement is. So anybody who comes to you and says that this is my platform, and take my ORM tool or take my CRM, and tells that this is my tool set and that's how you have to operate, then that's not the right thing to do. It should be the other way around, where brands should tell us that this is our requirement and this is the workflow that we want to build. Can you give us a solution that can work according to our workflows? For example, there could be a brand that says, I want Konnect Insights data inside a contact center, and they might be using Genesis for that matter. We should be able to do that. There could be another brand who says that I want contact center data within Konnect Insights, not the other way around. Let's say I'm using a CTI platform and I want calls within Konnect Insights. We should be able to do that. And that's what is possible with our app marketplace, where there are tons of connectors built in. And this cannot be a customization even. This should be a configuration. This should not even be low code. This should be no code. And that you can achieve when you have a ecosystem like app marketplace, where the connectors are really built in with the help of open APIs that are available for every platform. And if someone says that I want to go do the development and get it done within 6 months, then probably it has 50% chance of failing. Every sophisticated SaaS platform will have an app marketplace. Salesforce has App Exchange, and we really look up to them. Genesis has App Foundry, and Konnect Insights has App Marketplace. This allows you to build any kind of workflows that you want. As I already explained about the integrations with contact centers and CRM, you can think of a marketing automation tool checking everything in open tickets and then only sending out a marketing automation. Or for that matter, marketing automation with very targeted audience, because you have all the classifications and categories set in Konnect Insights. So very targeted marketing automation going. It can only happen when they are connected. And the beauty of an app marketplace is we never say that go ahead and replace us with someone else. We say that go ahead and complement with us. If you have Salesforce already, then please Konnect Insights and Salesforce. If you have already any CTI platform, please go ahead and connect with Konnect Insights. If you have Web Engage, Mo Engage, marketing automation tools, Microsoft Dynamics, go ahead and connect with it. That's the beauty of app marketplace. And if any SaaS platform today does not have a marketplace, then they are like a Rediff Mail, or they're like Yahoo Mail for me. So look for this for when you make a choice of going for any SaaS product. This is the need. We are in 2024 already, and app marketplace is something that every brand needs. I'll give you some more examples other than the standard CRM and marketing automation and things like that. For instance, if you have to have a connector built with something like a Dropbox or a Google Drive, so that when you download data, it is available to the entire team. Possible. Let's say if you want to build a workflow that says every time a new ticket comes to me, I want a notification or a Slack or Microsoft Teams. Possible. It's a connector built in. And you can achieve that within a day or two with the help of our team, or even for that matter, without the help of our team. And in fact, a lot of customers have gone ahead and built these simple integrations. A lot of changes can be done in the way data is pushed to Salesforce. You can do object level mapping, you can do field level mapping, you can reply from there. All this is possible with all the apps that we have built and the connectors that we have built. So look forward to an app marketplace for any given SaaS product. If they have this, only then you can tell those tool guys that this is the way I want to set workflows, this is the way I want to work, and you do it accordingly. I don't know whether I can take names, but we have one of the largest airline brands who have just set us, these are the things that we want to do, and it was just configurable. As I said, not even customizing, it is configurable. Not even low code, it's just no code kind of thing. A lot of hard work has gone into building an app marketplace at Konnect Insights. And this is our story. We call this as the 4 pillars of omni-channel customer experience. Today, if you have to achieve that omni-channel experience, then you have to listen, evaluate, and act. That's the tagline of Konnect Insights: listen, evaluate, act. The first 2 pillars are talking about listening from all possible channels from where the customers come. They come on social media, they come on online web, they come on emails, they come via offline touch points also, they come via calling, they come via chats. If you have all the platforms that from where you can listen to, you need a very strong CRM to get all that data into one platform. You can have analytics for it, and based on that, you can act on it with your marketing automations and publishing. That's the 4 pillars of omni-channel customer experience. And what do brands today look at? They look at huge return on investments. And return on investments, every brand knows, is not about saving money on the tools. It's rather investing in the right tools so that your cost on other factors go down and you get high productivity. For instance, how much does the tool cost? In your overall scheme of things, it would cost about 1% to 5%. In terms of tools. But how much do the resources and other aspects cost you? They are about 95%. And if you invest in the right tools, then that 95% cost will go down and you'll also get high productivity. Like we have so many brands who are using platforms and migrated to Konnect Insights, did not have dashboards and BI tools. And they would do everything in Excel sheets and PowerPoint presentations. That has been replaced by the live dashboards of Konnect Insights. How much resources they saved? Very easily about 4 to 8 resources. There are so many brands who were doing a lot of things manually, and in fact were not doing a lot of things because automation was not there. We have a very strong automation built into our product that allows you to reply to the conversations for at least L1 support, respond to the positive conversations, use case of Google Business Reviews, use cases of app reviews, tickets from responded to closure automatically happening and the user getting the feedback. That's all possible with automations. We have some brands where they very easily saved about 9 to 11 resources. So ROI is about increasing your productivity. ROI is about investing in the right tools. And ROI is about reducing the cost on the other aspects like your manpower and optimizing them for some more strategic work. So investing in right tools will get you ROI. There's a lot of work that we have done because of which the ROI has really increased for many brands. We have dashboards, BI tools, app marketplace I already spoke about. Konnect Insights offers you an all-in-one platform and one view of the customers within Konnect Insights itself. For instance, someone comes on Twitter, the other day that person comes on Facebook or email, you still have a one view of the customer and you get that conversation history across social. And if you go ahead and build your contact center and CRM integration, that even extends to other channels, maybe chats, and you'll see one view of the customer. So one brand, one customer, one brand, and one channel. That's what you achieve with all these integrations that we have. And there's a lot of investment that's happening on Konnect AI Plus. This year when it started, it was all about AI, and we kind of went ahead and built a lot of AI tools within our platform. It was already there, and with, of course, generative AI, we kind of enhanced that. We now have auto responses, as you know, and a lot of you use it. We also have trained models, and those trained models gives a great experience on AI. But AI is extending across Konnect Insights. You will see AI while publishing. You will see AI while setting up classifications. One of my favorites is the AI features which is extended to BI tools. Now, many of you are experts at BI tools and you have that custom report where you drag drop columns, filters, apply various kind of things and create chart on the fly, equivalent to, let's say, creating what you can do in Tableau or Power BI. We give you that power within Konnect Insights. Now, that is a bit technical. Let's say if I were to go ahead and write in plain English that I want a chart with categories and sentiment for a period of last 1 month. That plain English will create a chart. So this is something that we are working on. So you will see AI across our platform. We're calling it as Konnect AI Plus. And all the hard work that we have done over the years, and many customers who have been using us for 5 years, 6 years. I would like to hear from them after I am done. My colleague Karen would come and give you a mic and please share your experiences. Would love to hear how you use Konnect Insights. And last couple of slides. This is our vision. This is our mission. What we do at Konnect Insights. Our vision is to empower every brand globally, the ultimate customer experience SaaS solution. We are on a mission to ensure that we implement 4 pillars of omni-channel customer experience for every single brand, and we'll do it at one brand at a time. And finally, our core values. This is what makes us what we are at Konnect Insights: empathy, customer success, excellence, and gratitude. Empathy at core of everything that we do. Customer success, your success is our success. Excellence in our product, excellence in our customer support, excellence in our sales experience. And finally, we are thankful for all the opportunities that we get to work with you. Thankful for not only the wins, but also for the losses, because every day is a learning experience. So with that, I'll end my keynote. And there are a lot of sessions coming up. There is a session by Salesforce, then by Google Business Messages, and lots of panel. Please have a great evening, and thank you everyone for coming here.